only protects the product inside, but also packaging, it has a very significant role because it is a very core part of building the relationship between the end users and the brand. We give one-to-one mentoring and coaching to CSIs to improve their products. So we were really excited to know how their packaging has improved. So today during the display we were able to make out the tangible outcome from this training. So through this coaching and mentoring, I'm very much confident that the CSIs, the producers will be able to communicate their brand story through their packaging.
When I first came to Bhutan, I had opportunities to talk to many startups, small medium enterprise owners and young entrepreneurs, and they consistently told me packaging is a problem, and I never quite understood why. But as I deepened my engagement with them and came to learn about the ecosystem in Bhutan, I understood that we may be able to support the creation of the content, the products that go into the packaging, but if you don't have a facility, knowledge and skills to come up with world-class packaging, it would impact their ability to export and sell in the high market.
Hema boching aje packaging gidi nansimi khachtu to sumchibe GM ajela. The nanagi pisicile jumbe so migi khalu sedi hübe ve zata ve shimbachin loktinyo metong sigi rechidiki duila. Tabada chacha khoragi khalap subegi yobob di packaging ki beton bes chunibi.
We also learned that it is a very important aspect to take into consideration the environmental issues because in the food production we produce a lot of waste from the packaging.
Packaging gazum beni ina gikole shetila aginima the packaging gikole gati item ba packaging azum beni gikole item this toptila.
With the basic mentoring and coaching which was conducted, I hope the CSIs will be able to replicate the prototype that they have developed today in a larger scale, and I wish all the best for their future, and I hope they grow in terms of volume and the value.
Now people can choose my product also because we have upgraded our packaging, which is in very standard packaging.
So many entrepreneurs came here to showcase their product and their packaging and it was very exciting. So many public also came and then I bought my 3 bags and all of them are sold out.
Now I like to wish sincere tashidele and good luck to our entrepreneurs, especially the youth entrepreneurs who are members of the UNDP regional program, Springboard Plus, and people with disabilities with whom we have really deepened our partnership over the past 2.5 years over the COVID period. So good luck, and I'd like to see your products being sold in different stores, department stores, regionally and globally. Tashidele.